Hello and welcome to the adventures of Russell number 29. In this episode I'll be showing you the joys of baking honey joys. Honey joys are a simple and delicious recipe which are a joy to make with only 4 ingredients combined into a patty pan. The ingredients for honey joys are 90 grams of butter, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and not 1, not 2, not even 3, but 4 cups of cornflakes. Don't forget, you should always wash your hands before doing any food preparation. Before you start, preheat your oven to a cool 150 degrees. And then place 12 patties onto a tray. Now that is sorted, let's begin. In a saucepan, add the butter, sugar and honey and stir till melted and frothy. Now to add the cornflakes. Stir through until they are fully covered. Using a tablespoon, divide the mixture between the cases. Then chuck in the oven for 10 minutes or until golden. While those bake, here are some fun facts about honey joys. The first known recipe for honey joys was printed in the Wagga Wagga newspaper, the Daily Advertiser, in August 1938. There is an alternative name of honey crackles, which was first published in the Tasmanian newspaper The Advocate in October 1941. In 2017, the word honey joys were added to the Australian National Dictionary and were defined as a honey-flavoured biscuit containing cornflakes. Once they are ready, allow to cool and eat within the week. And there you have it, honey joys. Now they're best served with a pot of tea. Enjoy!